Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. So you guys clicked on this video because you want to know how much money I got from the state of California for my robotics class, didn't you? Well, I'll let you know in a second. But I want to talk to today about how to get money for your robotics class for those of you that teach. It's called a Career Technical Education Credential. I'll let you know all the pros and the cons and the money that I can get or I will get for my classrooms. If you want to see that, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
So my principal approached me many years ago when I started teaching robotics, and he said, hey, you need to definitely look into getting your Career Technical Education Credential. And I was like, what? I just renewed my regular credential, and I know that the process would be money involved because you have to take classes for this. So the definite one con about this is just paying for the classes to get this credential. I know they can get really pricey. I know time-wise, it's like, when do I have time to take these classes? But what I did is I just devoted myself to, weekends and whenever I had the free time, holidays, just being able to get some of this work done to get this credential. And depending on what state you live in and what institution you're getting this from, it's going to vary on your time and price. But definitely it's been worth it, and let me tell you why. And definitely just the cost of the classes and time were the two just cons. But there's so many pros about getting this credential. So number one, it helped me move over in the pay schedule. Those of you that teach know that when you are on the pay schedule, you move over because of years of experience and also your units of schooling. So it helped me move over 2 columns, no joke, 2 columns. And now that just equals just more money every year that I teach that I would not have had if I had not gotten this credential. So the first definite pro is it moves your salary over in the columns to just allow you to make more money per year. But the definite thing for robotics is it now gives me Perkins money. With Career Technical Education, if you have that credential, and this is why my principal wanted me to have that credential, the state now will distribute money to whoever is in that field of CTE. And again, that's going to help, or that's going to vary how much money you get, is how much is it going to get spread to. So I know there's teachers at my school where they get certain money depending on how many periods they teach. I teach 5 periods of robotics, so I will get more money than the teacher who's teaching 2 periods of something else. And then that money also gets distributed among our high school. They get money too for those teachers, again, depending on how many periods they teach. And so that money is given to us to supplement our class. So in the years past, I've bought more EV3 kits. I've used the money for VEX kits. And so this year, my principal and I, we thought, hey, because the EV3 is retired and is becoming more expensive and it's harder to supplement that with other, materials, we decided to go with Robot Inventor, the kit. And so now I'm able to spend that money now to be able to buy more of those kits. So I think the plan is to possibly continue with the EV3, but eventually start to usher that out and just get more of the Inventor kits to take over the EV3. So you guys are wondering, how much money did I get for my Perkins money? So hold on to your hats, guys, because it was way more than I had expected, than I thought I got last year. It was $5,288.50. I could not believe that. It was staggering. It was more than I had thought. And so now, with the Inventor kit being $359.99, I basically just divided that into the amount, and I was able to purchase 14 of the Inventor kits, which is awesome because now if you split that with 2 kids, that's 28 students that's able to help out. And just think, if I get that same amount next year, that's another 28 kids, and then another, And so you can see how this will build upon, itself. I still have money left over to possibly buy, more EV3 motors or things like that. Just desperately things that I need, but it's just really cool to know that, man, 14 of those Inventor Kits, and it's all thankful to that Perkins money and that I had that credential. So for those of you that are thinking about that, hopefully this video can push you over the edge as far as, hey, go for it. Especially if you're going to be in robotics for a while, especially if you know that you have years left where that salary can go up because of your units. So I'm this close to getting my master's for that. So that'll also push me over on the salary scale if I decide to ever get off my rear end and get those classes done. I think I have 3 classes left. So hopefully this video was helpful for those of you that were wondering about CTE and getting extra money for your school and, supplement your class. It's just been really awesome. It's just been a great decision, and I can't thank my principal enough for heading me that direction, because it's just been a win-win situation for myself, for him, the kids. It's just very cool. So thank you guys for watching. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also, because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.